Good morning, students. Welcome back. Students, you are the future of our country. You have the ability to learn and adapt to the environment. Your intelligence and work will take the country on the pathway of success. You will make a new India. You will be the pillar of this new India. With this hope, we will start a new lesson, New India. Fill in the blanks. Rahul Gandhi, Manjari, Anil Ambani, Hrithik Roshan, Anju Bobby George, Jayed Khan, Ajay Bharat, Abhijit Sawant. These names of famous personalities are given in the help box. First, like my father and mother, I too was elected from Amethi in Uttar Pradesh to the Lok Sabha in 2004 and am eagerly looking forward to serving my country. Who is he? Rahul Gandhi. Amethi Lok Sabha constituency was created in 1967. Rahul Gandhi held the seat for the longest period from 2004 to 2019. Second, I share a minor physical deformity, an extra thumb, with Sir Gary Sobers. My special film include Krish, Dhoom 2 and Koi Mil Gaya. Who is he? Hrithik Roshan. He has portrayed a variety of characters and is known for his dancing skills. He became the Indian brand ambassador for UNICEF and the Global Goals campaign's world's largest lesson that aims to educate children in over 100 countries about the Sustainable Development Goals. Third, in 2004, she received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, while her husband received the Dronacharya Award for coaching her. She had been in the top 6 in the world in her event for the last few years. Who is she? She is Anju Bobby George. She is India's first and only world champion in athletics IAAF World Athletics Final. She won the bronze medal in long jump, 6.73 meter, at the 2003 World Championships in athletics in Paris and a gold medal at the 2003 Afro-Asian Games. Fourth, my father Sanjay and my uncles Firoz and Akbar are all part of the Bollywood industry. So is my cousin Fardeen and brother-in-law Ritik. My first big hit was Farah Khan's debut film shoot in St. Paul's, Darjeeling. Who is he? Jayed Khan. Jayed Abbas Khan is an Indian actor and producer in Hindi films. He has received a Filmfare Award nomination. Fifth, the younger son of Dhirubhai. I am a member of parliament and was once voted MTV's Youth Icon of the Year. Answer: Anil Ambani. He is an Indian businessman. He is the chairman of Reliance Group, conferred the CEO of the year 2004 in the Platts Global Energy Award. Sixth, till the age of 24, I was struggling, unknown singer in a local band, which would perform at weddings and small functions in Mumbai. In 2005, my life changed forever when I became the first Indian Idol in the biggest talent search show on Indian television. Who is he? Abhijit Sawant. He is a singer, television actor, anchor, and the winner of Indian Idol Season 1. He was the first runner-up of Clinic All Clear Jo Jeeta Wahi Superstar and finished third in Asian Idol. Do you know, students, Abraham Lincoln is famously known for being the 16th President of the United States. Born in 1879, the man that we all know as one of the most brilliant minds to have ever lived was once considered a major failure. Students were completed 13th lesson. Now we are going to start 14th lesson. Mythologically speaking. Mythology means the spoken story of a people. Myth express the beliefs and values about the subjects held by certain culture. Myth tells the stories of ancestors, the origin of humans, the world, the god, supernatural beings, and heroes with superpowers. Students, now we will start the question answers. Tick the correct answer. First, what is Kamdeva's wife's name? Options: A. Menka, B. Rati, C. Rambha, D. Amba. Answer: B. Rati. Rati is the Hindu goddess of love, usually described as the daughter of Prajapati Daksha. Second, where in India is the strand of Prophet Muhammad's hair preserved as sacred relic? Options: Purani Delhi, B. Hazrat Bal, C. Bihar Sharif, D. Nagaur. Answer: B. Hazrat Bal. The Hazrat Bal Shrine is a Muslim shrine in Hazrat Bal, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. The relic was first brought to Kashmir by Sayyid Abdullah, a purported descendant of Muhammad. Third, followers of which religion worship Ahura Mazda as their god? Options: A. Islam, B. Zoroastrianism, C. Shintoism, D. Jainism. Answer: B. Zoroastrianism. Ahura Mazda means supreme god in ancient Iranian religion, especially Zoroastrianism, the religious system of the Iranian prophet Zarathustra. The literal meaning of the word Ahura is Lord and that of Mazda is wisdom. Fourth, who is the god of earthquakes in the Greek mythology? Options: A. Vulcan, B. Poseidon, C. Hades, D. Pegasus. Answer: B. Poseidon. Poseidon was the god of the sea and was usually depicted carrying a trident or fish speaker. One of his nicknames is Earthshaker. With his trident, he could strike the ground, causing earthquakes. Fifth, which Greek goddess threw an apple and started the Trojan War? Options: A. Iris, B. Hera, C. Athena, D. Aphrodite. Answer: Iris. The Trojan War was a battle between the Greeks and the city of Troy that lasted for 10 years. According to Greek mythology, the initial cause of the war was the goddess Iris, the goddess of discord. Sixth, who in the Greek mythology is responsible for the separation of heaven and earth? Options: A. Uranus, B. Cronus, C. Zeus, D. Poseidon. Answer: B. Cronus. In Greek mythology, Cronus was the son of Uranus, means heaven, and Gaia, means earth. He became the king of the Titans. 7. Swan is the vehicle of which Hindu goddess? Options: A. Saraswati, B. Lakshmi, C. Durga, D. Kali. Answer: A. Saraswati. Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, wisdom, learning, music and arts, is seen with a swan. The elegant swan is symbolic of intelligence. Students, we have completed question answers. Do you know, students, Thailand has its own version of Ramayana called Ramakien. It is about 25% longer than the Sanskrit original. The Ramakien is Thailand's national epic derived from the Hindu epic Ramayana. King Rama VI was the person who shed the light first on the Ramayana studies in Thailand. Students, we have completed 14th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. 3 clues will be displayed on the screen. You have to identify the name of the program. First clue is National Program for Development of Sports in India. Second clue is it is launched in the year 2018. It is launched by Sports Minister Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod in Delhi. So what is the name of the program? Yes, Khelo India. Students, we have completed 13th and 14th lesson. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.